In this segment, we're going to overview all of the features and setup configurations for the IPA-3100. To view the system settings from the main screen, we press the gear button at the top right. That shows us the software version, firmware version, and calibration due date. Now this one's important because as we get closer to our calibration due date, there'll be a notice on the main screen saying that your calibration is due soon or your calibration is past due. We also have a product information button, which gives us a link directly to the BC Store page where you can see information about the IPA-3100, such as these videos and other training videos, as well as the accessories and other features that are available. We have a direct link to the user manual, so if you want to read that and get the device specifications or more details about the operation of the unit. At the bottom of the screen, we have a few icons for changing the pressure. We have a few pressure ranges available: PSI, millimeters of mercury, millibars, or kilopascals. We can also adjust the screen brightness using the light bulb. We have a calendar and clock to adjust the date and time. We have options for either month, day, year format or day, month, year. And for time, we can select either 12 or 24-hour format. The save icon allows us to turn on or off autosave. That's the feature that every time we run a test, at the end of the test, if autosave is turned on, it will save that test record to the database. Or we can turn that off to manually save tests as we run them. Bluetooth, we can turn that on or off. Bluetooth is built in on this unit, and we can turn that off if we want to conserve battery life, or we can leave it on here in this setting. We also have a link directly to My BC Mobile for either Apple or Google devices. And on the main screen, we also have at the top left an icon to get into our data log. This shows us all of the tests that we've run. We can scroll through those on the right over here. We can go back to our home screen. And if we press on the battery indicator, we'll get a numerical display for the remaining battery life.
Thank you for watching this BC Group International production. For more information about our extensive line of BC Biomedical products and products from our vendor alliances, browse BC Marketplace online at bcgroupstore.com. BC Group, we are your one-stop biomed shop.